Ladies and gentlemen, it's a great honor to address you today at BioFact 2026. I am particularly pleased to read that the conference takes place under the EPIDA, Ministry of Commerce and Industries, Government of India, which is the lead organization of BioFact 2026 and a key role of India's international engagement in organic agriculture. EPIDA has activated the objective of increasing India's share in global organic food exports from about 2.5% today to nearly 12% within the next 5 years. My state Tripura is keen to contribute to this goal of growth. This ambition reflects growing global demand, but also underlying the scale of the transformation required at farm level. Driven by the vision of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, India is emerging as the global hub of organic food. By championing organic and natural farming, we are not just healing the soil, but ensuring a more prosperous and sustainable future for our farmers. For Tripura, a small state, organic farming is not a recent transition. It is a way of life shaped by our geography, rich biodiversity, high rainfall, forest ecosystems, and generations of traditional low chemical farming practices. In this context, the advancing India-European Union Free Trade Agreement presents a timely opportunity to further deepen agri-trade cooperation, enhance market access for certified organic products, and strengthen transparent, sustainable value chains between India and Europe. The name of free trade is called the mother of all deals. Over the first decade, we have transformed this natural advantage into structured and credible organic movement. Today, 53 organic farmer producer companies are actively functioning in the state of Tripura, ensuring our value chains and market engagements. More than 26,000 hectares of land are registered and certified organic, with over 26,800 farmers formally registered under the organic certification system. Tripura now offers the world a diverse basket of premium organic products. Aromatic rice varieties such as Kali Khasa and Harinalayan, black rice like Memi Hangar, sticky rice like Birani, bird's eye chili, sesame, turmeric, ginger, pineapple, jackfruit, and other niche agri-horticultural produce. All our products comply with strict organic standards, robust traceability systems, and food safety norms, ensuring authenticity and consistent quality. Our vision goes beyond production. We are strengthening value addition, branding, and market linkages so that farmers receive fair and remunerative prices, while global consumers gain access to ethically produced, climate-friendly food under the identity of Tripura Organic. We are building transparency, trust, and long-term partnerships. At BioFact 2026, we invite importers, processors, retailers, researchers, and investors to partner with Tripura for organic sourcing, value chain development, and long-term collaboration. India, country of the year, grown in India for the world. India's slogan is One Earth, One Family, One Future. That is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. All world is our relatives. Let us work together to ensure that organic farming not only nurtures people across continents but also uplifts farming communities, protects our planet and secures a sustainable future for generations to come. I love organic, I like organic. Thank you, Bill and Dan, India and European countries.